Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. With 4 weeks to go to Christmas or thereabouts, depending on when you're watching the video, we're into that really rush season. Most of the guys in the industry have been busy anyway, so we're going to get busier as we come into this Christmas holiday time period. Everyone's going to be driving their car a lot more, so some of the things we need to be careful about over the next 4 weeks. Don't overbook. Try and keep a little bit of space there for your regulars that might strike a bit of trouble, but try and manage your bookings to make sure it's manageable for you and your staff to get through. Focus on the upsells, or don't try not to be cramming too much work through. Try and limit the amount of cars. It's better maybe to get a little bit more work out of one car than it is to have 2 cars on your forecourt for a day. So try and manage the amount of cars. The ones that come in, make sure you're focusing on some of those upsells if you need to bolster the figures and make sure the car goes out correctly. Charge accordingly. Diagnostic work, again, please make sure you're charging for your time, especially at this time of year, and be very careful for those tyre kickers, those customers that really are just there to waste your time. Time's precious at the best of times all throughout the year, but also more so for the next 4 weeks and over the holiday time period. So be very, very critical about how you spend your time and how you're actually charging for that. Make sure you're selling any diagnostic time as a separate to service time. So a car comes in for a service, if it's got 3 or 4 additional things on top of that, they should be treated separately. Diagnose them separately, charge them or quote them for them, or estimate the repair time separately for them. Limit the amount of project time or some of the big jobs you have in your cars. Try not to have too many dead cars lying around your workshop. Space is critical for a lot of workshops. So again, get them in, get them fixed, get them out, get the money in the till. That'll make sure that we have a profitable December compared to other months. So just a couple of things to remember over the next 4 weeks. Be critical, be efficient, be productive as best you can. Enjoy yourselves. Hopefully we have a good run up into Christmas. It's been a very, very strange year with the COVID-19 and all that sort of stuff, but I think most of the trade are pretty busy at the moment, and now's the time to make sure that we're extremely profitable this time of year, to make up for some of that quieter time we had during COVID-19. Just want to wish all our members a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Make sure you use the website as much as you can to help you along with that diagnostic work. If you're not a member, tap.net.au, join up now button, join the many thousands of other technicians that are sharing information, knowledge and experience. See you next time.